In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto-delete on Google Chrome. This quick setup helps your Google account automatically remove older search activity on a rolling schedule, keeping things tidier and more private without you having to manually clear it every time. Remember, this setting is tied to your Google account, so it applies across devices where you're signed in, not just one browser. Start by opening google.com in Chrome and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. If you use more than one, double-check the avatar in the top right corner so you don't change the wrong one. Click your Google account icon in that top right corner to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select Search History. This takes you to the Google My Activity page, focused specifically on your search activity. You'll see a summary of your recent searches and controls related to how long that data is kept. Next, find and click Auto Delete. This is where you choose how long Google should keep your search activity before automatically removing it. You'll see options for a rolling time window, such as keeping data for several months and then deleting anything older than that period. Choose the duration that fits your comfort level. Shorter windows mean more privacy and less historical data, while longer windows maintain more personalization for things like search suggestions. Once you pick the duration, that preference will govern your search activity going forward. Older items beyond the window will be cleared automatically over time, and anything newer will be kept until it reaches that age and is removed. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that still gives you control. A couple of helpful notes as you set expectations. This auto-delete setting affects your Google account's search activity across signed-in devices. It's different from the local browsing history stored by Chrome on a single computer. If you want to clear local history, cookies, or cached files on your device, that's handled separately in Chrome's Clear Browsing data settings. Also, this doesn't touch your bookmarks or downloaded files. And if you use Incognito mode, that session doesn't save activity to your browser history, though some site-level data may still apply, as noted in Chrome's Incognito details. You can return to this same search history page anytime to adjust the time frame as your needs change. That's all it takes. Open your Google account menu, go to Search History, click Auto Delete, and choose the duration that feels right for you. Enjoy a cleaner, more private search experience with less maintenance.